Oh yeah, and per Boomstick's suggestion, I have started the art gallery, and to display the work of arts. I don't know how much I'll charge for admission yet, but you know, if you're interested in shooting art, check us out. Thanks for watching. It's just a joke. LOL. See you guys on the next video. Hey folks, Rob here. And today we're going to be doing ammo testing on the new Ruger Wrangler bird's head that they just come out with this year. Has a 3.5-inch barrel, bird's head grip, or a 3.75 if I ain't mistaken. And this is the talo edition, comes with the wood grips. It's not a black finish, it's a graphite, I guess, or something. Comes with the nice DeSantis holster. And for our lineup, I've pulled out about every ammunition I have, 22 wise. And we're going to use our poster board target like we have been. I got the Federal Auto Match, the Winchester M22, the Federal 550 red box, Winchester white box, and then we got Remington Thunderbolts. I got a few of these BBM left we're going to try, and then we got CCI, and these are standards, Arms Corps, and we're going to end up with the Aguila Super Extra. So we're going to repeat this just the way we done the last test, and I'm going to set us up a target down there. We're going to be using the Caldwell rest there to kind of eliminate me a little bit from the picture. And although I'm still behind the gun, it does help because I shake a lot. But it'll help take me out of the picture a little bit, and we can see if this Wrangler performs any better than some of the first ones out, which had a little bit of an accuracy. Mine's not totally inaccurate, but it is the least accurate of the single actions I have. So anyway, enough being said, I'm going to get us set up, and we'll start shooting. Alright, I got us loaded up with some auto match. I'm going to go back here and we'll take our first 6 shots with the auto match. Okay, there's our 6 with the auto match, and that wasn't so good. We got 1, 2. So there's our auto match. So let's go back here. I'll load us up and we'll do the M22s next. Alrighty, now I got us loaded up with the M22s. Let's see what we can do with this. That's a lot better than the auto match. Looks like maybe 3 right there. I'll have to watch back on the tape. That is our, and that's 10 yards, 30 feet. Might be tending to shoot a little high. All right, let's go back. Let me set us up and we'll do the red box. Okay, got us loaded up with the Federal red. Federal red. Not too bad, a little high again, a little right. That's a Federal red already, with the exception of the M22. The little Wrangler's not shooting too bad. Okay, let's go back and get the Winchester white box loaded up. Alrighty, here we go, Winchester white. Alright, that was a decent group. Just high and right. So I got, there's our Winchester. Like I said, that was a hollow point, 36 grain. So let me go back here and we'll load up our Thunderbolts. Remington Thunderbolts. And that was our Thunderbolt group. We started out pretty good, and I've got a couple high here, so. There is our Thunderbolt group. Now let's go back and we'll try the BBM. I think that stands for Battle-Born Munitions, and we'll do that one next. Battle-Born Munitions, BBM. Well, the BBM was making a pretty good showing. I think I pulled this one. But if you remember from the last testing, the other Ruger, the full-size Wrangler didn't like them so much. The only one shot them really well was the Heritage. So let's go back here and I'll set us up and we'll start on the bottom row. Now these are the CCI standards, and if you watched my video yesterday with the Sidekick, the Wrangler, and the Heritage, they all shot this fairly well. So I would think this gun would shoot them equally as well. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually had two there. It looked like a kind of keyhole. They might not like that shorter barrel. So there's our, they didn't shoot as good out of that. Let's load up and try our arms core, see what it does. They definitely look like they're flying sideways. That's a little disturbing, but it's obvious it does not like the CCI or the arms core. The ones that typically shot better out of the longer guns are not shooting well out of this. I'll be surprised to see how the Aguila does. So let me load this up and we'll come back and finish. Okay, last one. This is the Aguila Super Extra. Now the Aguila shot good out of everything yesterday and shot fairly good out of this. So anyway, there is a look at our groups. Let me move you over here. We'll take a look at it. So here's our auto match. Kind of shot all over the place. M22s, the Federal Reds. There you can see the Winchester White Box was a good tight group, but high and right. Thunderbolt's kind of strong. BBM wasn't too bad, except I pulled one here. The CCI I had a couple keyhole there, and the arms core just really shot terrible. And the Aguila done pretty good, so you know, that's kind of the accuracy you can expect to get out. Now, let's go back here and I'll finish up. All right, so that concludes our test with the new Ruger Wrangler birdshead. This is a talo edition, and we put 9 rounds. This happens to be the 9 rounds I have, and I didn't unload those last few. But you know, when I first got this gun, it was had a little sticky spot when you'd go to rotate the cylinder. After just a few rounds, that's gone. It works as smooth as butter now. You can see that cylinder just free spins. It's loosened right up. It just needs a little shoot. So anyway, guys, that's a look at that. And these were the 9 ammunitions I had. I might have had some more if I dug deeper. I didn't even know I had the Thunderbolts until I started digging through my stockpile of the actually I didn't know I had the Winchester White Box either. I got a lot of 22 shells, so once I got to digging back through my stock, I rounded up these others and I thought I'd throw them into the mix. That's 9 different fairly popular rounds that you're going to find. Arms core right now being the most prevalent on the shells, and it probably shot the worst. Although I'll give it, after I shot the arms core, I changed the way I was shooting. This chair, this little bench I'm sitting on, this little stool, puts me up a little too high to actually use my rest properly. So I had a little rubber knee pad, and I put it on the ground and I shot off my knee for all the rest of the group. So kind of gave the arms core a little bit of an unfair, you know, and I might just, for shits and giggles, I might just go down there and set you back up and shoot 6 more the way I shot these and just let you see if it improves. And I think it will. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope you have a great week. And you know, give me that thumbs up. I appreciate it. And leave me a comment. If there's any ammunitions out there you'd like to see shot through it, I'll try to find them. But you know, 22's hard to find. All I've been finding lately is, I did find this. Was at Walmart last week. The CCI standards. These were almost $5 a box for just CCI standards. I did pick up 2 boxes just to do some testing with. Other than that, the auto match and the Winchester in that anniversary box for $40 for 300 rounds. I ain't buying. That's just way too much. And but if there's anything you'd like to see, let me know and I'll try to find it. We'll try to test it, whatever you want it tested in. I mean, I you know what I got. So appreciate it. If you're not a subscriber, feel free to subscribe. Join the Hamilton Outdoors Facebook group page. Post your pictures. You know, you might not have YouTube. Post your pictures. You know, comment, ask questions. It's there for you guys. I didn't make it for me. Anyway, I appreciate you. I'll set us back up, and I'll take 6 more with the arms course. So stay tuned for that, and we'll see you guys on the next video. All right. I'm going to go back here and shoot us 6 more rounds. I think when I was closing, I said arms core, but I meant auto match. So we're going to shoot that the same way as I shot the rest groups and see if it does any better. Well, the auto match didn't do much better this time. So got one here, one there, one there, one there, one there, one there. So yeah, it wasn't the way I was shooting it. It's just the ammo. Anyway, guys, appreciate it. Sorry if this was running too long. Till next video, we'll see you guys later.